Hi everybody, Cristie here, and today's lesson is can opener. Alright, so this is just a standard can opener with the hand crank, and you can see here this is the blade, and it turns to cut the can open. So you want to make sure you get this blade, just a regular can here, right on the inside lip, and then when you push, that snap, that pop, is it breaking the aluminum. And then I just twist. It should be pretty easy. All the way around till right at the end. And if you just stop there, right before you get all the way there, you can pull up. Now be careful because this is very sharp. And there you have it. That's how you use a standard can opener. Check me out on my YouTube channel. If you like it, subscribe, share it with your friends. Bye.